Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Another trend in 2021 is charm bracelets. Today I'm going to show you how to make this charm bracelet using Swarovski charms. The first step is to determine the length of chain you're going to want. And to do that, wrap the chain around your wrist, determine what you want your last link to be. That will be it for me. And rather than cut this chain because it's very heavy, I'm going to use 2 pairs of needle nose pliers and open this link, remove the length I want for my bracelet, and then I'm just going to set that aside. Next, here are the charms. Next, we're going to remove these lobster clasps from each charm. We want to leave the 4mm jump ring in place, but remove the lobster clasps. The lobsters are too small to fit on our chain. So I'll demonstrate on this one. I've already removed them on the others. We're just going to open, remove the lobster clasp, and close. So now we have, I'm using 6 charms. We have those ready. The next step, I'm going to attach each side of a toggle clasp to each end of chain using 6mm jump rings. I'll attach the bar side of the toggle on this end and the ring side of the toggle, or the circle side, on this end. Now that we have the toggle clasp on our bracelet, we're going to play around with where to position our charms. We're going to use 6mm jump rings again to attach the 4mm jump ring on each charm to a link of chain. So first we'll open a jump ring, and I think I'm going to start right here on this, the 3rd link in, and I'm going to try to get all my charms facing the same direction, but it won't really matter. Once you wear it, they'll be flipping and turning. So let's see. I'll put the turtle there. So I think I'm going to attach to every 3rd link from where I attached the first charm. That's it. If you make your own charm bracelet, we'd love for you to share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. Bye.